Hello, lovely people. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I wanted to come on here and share with you all some things about Walmart Spark. I noticed last time that I was on the app that every time I logged in, or almost every time I dropped off a delivery, I had to do the identifying procedure, verification, authentication, whatever words you want to use. Okay, so I will try to link his video, this video, so they give me thumbs up about that. I'm trying with this editing, okay? So, and I'm having some fruit today and some yogurt for breakfast, so that's what it is for right now. So anyway, so I noticed that my shopping orders was decreasing. I was getting a lot of curbside, and if you do Walmart Spark, then you know. Everybody that does Walmart Spark has what their preference are, right? Either you like the shopping orders, or you like the curbside, or you don't like either. Or me, I just take whatever I can take because I need to make the money that day. So I don't have a preference. But I noticed that I wasn't getting a lot of shopping orders. So it's like sometimes I'll be in the parking lot at the Walmart, and as soon as order come up, it'll disappear before I can even click it. So then I started hearing this thing going around on YouTube about bots. And then on TikTok, whenever I post anything about Spark, someone had inboxed me about subscribers so-and-so. They had the best bot tracker or best bot grabber. I was kind of something like, what are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm like, that's kind of, So I did more research. So I started watching more people on YouTube talking about scammers and how they're grabbing up all the shopping orders and how it's a whole ring of them, like all over the country. And I'm in North Carolina, so I'm like, oh my God, this is something serious. Like, they really done figure this thing out. So, I'm like, okay. So, I noticed that my last time doing Walmart Spark, like I said, I almost had to do the identification process before I can take another order or go, to another location, especially if it put me from one location to the next location. Because I'm the type of Walmart Sparker, that I will stay at one particular store if it start giving me orders there. But if it get too slow, I'm moving, honey. Same way with Uber and Lyft. That's how I was. I kept them wheels rolling because I need to make money. My whole purpose wasn't to sit around and wait for the money. My whole purpose was to go out and make money. So if it was slow, whatnot, I would move to another location, or I would just cut the app off, go home, and try it later. Take a nap, make sure I ate enough, whatever I need to do, and then I go back out. But same thing with Walmart Spark. If I go to one particular Walmart, Home Depot, or whatever stores that's needing delivery drivers, I will go to that location. But if I see that they slack down, I go to another location. So this particular day, I started at one location, and I got like several orders. And then I had to go to another location, and it asked for identifying. I guess, I don't know why. But like I said, I think that because of this video, what I'm trying to say that I didn't say, I do apologize, is that this particular driver, he made a video showing people, scammers at the stores. So the video went viral. So I think now that Walmart or whoever's Walmart Spark company, I don't know, is trying to taper down on the scammers and fake accounts. So now every time you have to, show your face in that app, the AI app, and prove that you are who you say you are. But they were getting away with it. They were getting away. They were making money. I sat in the car one time, and I'm like, look at all those, because I seen them. It was five guys that day, and it was like 2 girls in the car. So it was 5 guys standing outside, because you can tell drivers. Like when we do GoPub, you can always tell GoPub drivers, because we either hang around each other's car, or we park right beside each other with the window down talking. So it's a dead giveaway. You know what I'm saying? It's a giveaway. So, so I know they were doing Walmart Spark, because don't nobody go to Walmart just to hang out. Maybe if you're a teenager and you're like a little town, and that's the only thing to do, hang out at the Walmart parking lot. But these grown people. So I knew what it was. So I'm not just trying to be talking. So anyway, I'm thinking that because of his video, maybe they're cracking down on it. I hope that I can at least show you a screenshot or show some of the video. I'm going to try my best to edit it to the best of my ability. So
regular people that I see every day, they're the ones that can get a shopping order every time somehow. And both of these guys have carts full of groceries with no ride. So their crew has got the car doing other orders, and these customers' orders are sitting here in the parking lot. Look at this one.
So like I said, I wasn't going to be able to show much of the video. I just want to show y'all some of that. And just let me know what y'all think. I mean, have y'all been realizing that once you get to the parking lot, if you're actually sitting in the parking lot, as soon as the order come up, it's gone. You might have bots in your area. Now, that's what I'm understanding going on. I'm not quite sure that's what's going on, but that's what I think is going on. I don't know. But the more you do research on this topic, the more you find other drivers saying there's a group of people that come to these Walmart parking lots, and it's a group of them, and they just handing out phones, passing phones. Somebody do the Walmart shopping orders. Somebody go in the store shop. I don't even want to explain it because I don't even know. I can't wrap my hand because I'm not a criminal. I'm not a thief. I don't have a criminal mind. I don't. So I can't even wrap my mind around how they doing this. I don't. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, and things don't last like this for a very long time. It comes to an end. So if you ever thought about doing Walmart Spark to try to get you some money, you know what I'm saying? Get ahead on your bills. You need to do it. It took me almost a year and some change just to get approved. I was on a waiting list that long, y'all. So that's how serious it is. Now, I hope not to get deactivated because I really like Walmart Spark. It's just the apartments, having to tote all those groceries, especially when people are inconsiderate. I think they're inconsiderate. Maybe they're not. Like I said, I always try to put myself in somebody else's shoes. Like, maybe they're elderly, maybe they just had a baby, they can't tote the stairs. But they order all these cases of water. If we have to tote them up the stairs, if they had to tote the water up the stairs, don't you think we got to tote the water up the stairs? Like, for real, like, it'd be something else. Especially when people do, like, that month grocery haul. They order everything because, you know, they might be on disability, social security check, first of the month check, SSI, government benefits. They only get that check once a month. And they do all this shopping. And I understand my grandparents used to shop like that. But the point is, I don't know. I'm not complaining. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you all because a lot of people getting this stuff and they have no idea, what they're getting into. And I'm the type of person on my channel, I always try to tell you the real. Like, I don't sugarcoat nothing. I don't talk about the money. The money will come. I try to talk about what you're doing. What you actually doing. You know what I'm saying? The good and the bad. Yeah, the money come. I like making the money. But you going to haul them groceries sometimes upstairs. Sometimes they'll cancel on you in the middle of you trying to deliver it to them. Oh my gosh. So many things. Like, so many things. And you don't see that a lot of times on people's videos. You just see them, video recording, taking it out their car, dropping off in front of the porch, and taking a picture. It's more to it than that, honey bun. There's more to that. I hope you found this entertaining and educational and all that good stuff. And I'll let you later.